Next topic, the 1.3 compositions of the domestic cross domestic product. The compositions of cross domestic product in the Indian economy, the broadly they classified into three main category, three sectors. One is the primary sectors, secondary sectors, tertiary sectors. The primary sectors also known as a agriculture sector. The secondary sectors also known as a industrial sectors. The tertiary sectors also known as a service sectors. So these are the three main sectors in the cross domestic product. First one is the primary sectors. The primary sectors also known as a agriculture sectors. Agriculture sector in which agricultural operations are undertaken. Agricultural operations is undertaken. Agriculture based allied activities. The productions of the raw materials. Agriculture based on the agriculture product for the raw material. The based on the first one is for examples the cattle farm, fishing, mining, forestry, coal. So these are earth dependent. So mainly for the agriculture operations or the undertakings, the agriculture based allied activities productions, the raw materials for one is the coal, fishing, mining, the cattle farm is the very important for the primary sectors. Second one is for the secondary sectors. The secondary sectors also known as the industrial sectors. So depend upon the industrial. So the first one is depend upon the agriculture, the primary sectors. So earth dependent. The secondary sectors in which the goods and commodities are produced by the transforming raw material, the importance of industries. So the raw material, the transforming for the industries are, first one is for the iron and steel industries. For example, iron industrial industries, cotton textile industries, jute industries, sugar industries, paper industries, cement industries, petrochemicals, that means medical industries, medicines industries, automobile industries, and other small scale industries. So the first one is the primary, second one is the secondary, is the five mass. Next one is the tertiary or service sectors. The primary sectors, for examples, for the cattle farming, fishing, mining, coal. The secondary sectors for the examples for the cotton textile industries, sugar industries, paper industries, cement industries, small scale industries. Next topic, the tertiary sectors. Three important sectors. Next one, tertiary sectors, also known as service sectors, which include the government and scientific research, transport, mainly for the The government include the government, scientific research and transport, communication, trade, postals and telegraph, banking, education, entertainment, healthcare and information technology. So these are called here the tertiary sectors or service sectors. These are called here service sector. Tertiary, for examples for the government office, scientific research, transport, communications, postal service, trade, postal and telegrams, banking, education, healthcare, entertainment, like that. Technology, information technology, IT, the examples. For in the 20th centuries, the economists began to suggested that the traditions territories, the services could be the further designated the culinary and the culinary service sectors. So for this would be the further designated for the quaternary and the culinary service sectors. Next topic 1.4, the contributions of different sectors in GDP of India. Next topic, contributions of different sectors of GDP of India in 1.4. First one is the three important sectors. One is the primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sectors. So is the service sector is the largest sectors of India. So service sector is the largest sectors. The gross value added GVA, the current price for service sector is the GVA. That means of the gross value added at the current prices of service sector is estimated of 92.26 lakhs crore in 2018 and 2019. First of all, the 2018 and 2019, the current values of the GAV. So next one is for this. The India is the seventh largest producers of agriculture product in India. Second one is for the agriculture. First one is for the service sectors. Second one is India is the second largest producers. Second largest producers. So the agriculture product in India account for the 7.39%. The total global agriculture product or output mainly for the industrial sector. India, the world rank is the 6th, and the service sector India, the world rank is 8th. But the contributions of the agriculture sectors in Indian economy, is higher than the world average. For 6.4%. After the contributions, the industries and the service sector lower than the world average. For the industrial and the service sector. The industrial sectors are the 30% lower than, and the service sectors for the 63%, 30 and 63. So in this topic may be for the first largest sectors, the service sectors, the largest sectors, and the GV means the gross value added 92.26 in 2008 and 2019. the India seventh largest producers of the agriculture product. After that, the industrial sector, the world rank is 6. Service sector, world rank is the 8. In the box, so in 2051, the agriculture sectors 51.81, industry sector 14.61. So 51.81, the service and the industrial sector 14.61, and the in 1950 and 51, the service sector 33.25. After the initial stage, after the independence in 1950, the concentrations in agriculture. After that, they developed the industries and service sectors in 2017 and 18. So agriculture contributions is lower. The initial stage 51.81. The after 2017 and 18, so decreases 17.01. But the increases of these industrial sectors and the service sector, tertiary sectors. So the service sector is the 53.09, the largest sectors, the largest contributions. Second one is for the industrial sectors. Third one is the 17.1, the agriculture sectors. The initial stage agriculture, at present in the service sectors. So the GPA means GDP plus subsidized direct sales taxes. Thank you.